Meaning of describe.
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 Describe. The word describe means to provide an account or portrayal of something using words or other means of communication. As for the specific task of describing a result in 84 words, here's an example. The experiment produced noteworthy results, with significant variations observed between the control and experimental groups. The control group exhibited minimal changes, while the experimental group recorded significant improvement in key indicators, suggesting that the intervention had a positive impact. Further analysis of the data indicates that these improvements were sustained over time, suggesting that the intervention holds promise as a long-term intervention strategy for this population. Overall, the results demonstrate the potential for effective interventions in this area of research.